Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends, you are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel. Today we discuss about Huazhong Agriculture University CSC scholarship and university scholarship. You need to type CSC Guide officials instead of CSC Guide official. You need to type CSC Guide official here in Google, and then you need to click on the second link, not on this link, because you will not get any detail about CSC scholarship on this website. So click on that website, cscguideofficials.com. This one is cscguideofficial.com, and this was officials.com. So you need to open this website, okay? After that, you can get the detail about CSC scholarship here. So click on CSC scholarship admissions category. So you need to you can check that Huazhong Agriculture University University scholarship and Huazhong Agriculture University CSC scholarship, Nanjing Agriculture University CSC scholarship, and all other universities scholarships are available here. So today we discuss about Huazhong Agriculture University CSC scholarship first in this video, and after that we discuss about Huazhong Agriculture University university scholarship. Okay, first we discuss CSC scholarship. Here is the detail. Chinese government scholarship university, we name Huazhong Agriculture University. This is for master and PhD candidate, fully funded scholarship, 3,000 RMB for master and 3,500 RMB for PhD. Just online apply. The deadline is 15th of February 2022. Okay. And the eligibility criteria for students is all international students can apply. Age limit for master 35 and for PhD 40 years. You can apply on the basis of English proficiency certificate. IELTS is not mandatory. Okay, how to apply for this scholarship? First, you fill CSC online application form. Second, you fill university online application form, and no need to pay application fee. Huazhong Agriculture University CSC scholarship result will be announced at the end of July. No need to send hard copies. Okay, click here to apply on CSC portal. How to fill this form? Watch this video in English. Okay, and you need to fill on university portal. Click here. So I'll tell you that how you fill this form in this video, how to fill Huazhong Agriculture University online application form. So required documents for CSC, you need to fill CSC form and download that form. Okay, Huazhong Agriculture University online application form, highest degree, transcript, study plan, recommendation letter, and click here to download the recommendation letter format of that university. So you need to download that form and make a recommendation letter according to their format. Okay, recommendation letter applicants for Huazhong Agriculture University. You need to prepare your recommendation letter according to this format, because for other universities maybe you have a formal recommendation letter format, but for this university you need to prepare your recommendation letter format like this. Okay, both these recommendation letter you need to prepare according to this format. Okay, and then passport copy, physical examination form, no criminal certificate record, English proficiency certificate. IELTS is not mandatory. Acceptance letter format. Acceptance letter. Click here to download the acceptance letter format. If professor ask you to that, please send me the acceptance letter format, you need to send this one. Okay, it's optional. It's not mandatory. How it's not mandatory? Because mostly students say that it's mandatory. It's not mentioned on their website that acceptance letter is optional or not. So it's mandatory. That how I know that it's mandatory or not? So I'll tell you in this video. Don't worry. Okay. Other supporting documents like award, certificate, and this kind of thing. Okay. So here is the procedure for CSC scholarship. Now we discuss about Huazhong Agriculture University scholarship. Okay. So here is the university scholarship. Huazhong Agriculture University scholarship. The detail is Huazhong Agriculture University 2022. Huazhong Agriculture University scholarship. This is for master and PhD candidates. Scholarship fully funded, and the monthly allowance is 2,100 RMB for master and 2,500 RMB for PhD. Okay, just online apply. No need to send hard copies. 15th of April 2022 is the last date. Eligibility criteria is same like CSC. Okay. Instead of filling CSC online application form, you just fill the Huazhong Agriculture University online application form. No need to fill CSC form if you want to apply for CSC scholarship. University scholarship. Okay, if you apply for university scholarship, you no need to fill CSC form. All the other requirements are same. Okay, and if you send your documents to the university email address, here is the email address. This is for both CSC and university scholarship. Okay, so you can send your document to this email address, and the subject is applications for Huazhong Agriculture University 2022. It's optional. This is for last year they mentioned on their website, but this year they not mentioned about that. So I just for safe side I type here that you need to send your documents as well. So if you send your documents through email, it's not a big deal. You can send your documents to that email address, both for CSC and university scholarship. Okay, but The question is that can we apply for CSC scholarship and university scholarship at the same time? So the answer is I will tell you in this video. So let's start. So click here to apply on Huazhong Agriculture University portal. After clicking on that, you can check that, and the portal is HZAU at 0068. Okay, and you need to click on start application. When you click on start application, you can check that the option you can see on the screen, that is options, two options in your page. When you click on that, click on agree. Okay, after clicking on agree, here is the two types of scholarship: CSC scholarship and USC scholarship. You can click on one option at the same time, and if you want to apply for CSC scholarship, your application will not, you cannot apply for university scholarship. Okay, and if you want to apply for university scholarship and not for CSC, then your application just for consider for university scholarship. Okay, I translated it. This one university scholarship and this one is CSC scholarship. And maybe if you not got CSC scholarship in the year you applied, maybe they automatically consider your application for university scholarship. So I click on university scholarship. Okay, and no, there is Chinese school scholarship, means university scholarship, master's university scholarship, and this is for doctoral students. So I click on master students and click on the next option. Okay, this one is important thing, I think. Okay, so if I suggest you should apply on university scholarship in that university, and you still have chances to apply for CSC scholarship in other three universities. So if it depends on you. If you have acceptance letter, then you need to apply on CSC scholarship as well. So not for university scholarship, but if you don't have acceptance, then apply on university scholarship in this university, and for CSC you need to apply on other universities, because you have to give maximum chance to your for your applications. Okay, so I select master degree and English. Okay, and that here is the school they offer scholarship. So I select food science and click on search. Okay, here is the degrees, food master degrees, and all these things. So I select any major, 3-year majors, English majors. So I click on that option and go to the next option. Okay, so here is the next option. So how to fill this form, the basic information, and how to require documents, and these kind of things we discussed in that video. Okay, so you can check personal information. You need to fill your personal information regarding to your profile, and the photo is 100 to 500 KB, and okay, and your pixel size 320 and 224. Okay, these are basic things you need to fill that, and your religion, date of birth, country of birth, occupation is your student, and these kind of things. Okay, and years of living in your own country, and are you currently in China. This is basic thing. Okay, the home address, your permanent address, and where you collect your notice means if you collect your notice on your home address, then you need to select this one. Okay, so passport number, this is the basic information, and which embassy or consulate would you apply visa. So I am from Pakistan, I select that embassy of People's Republic of China in the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Okay, you need to select according to your country where you located. Okay, so experience, if you have experience studying in China, then you yes, and otherwise leave it. Okay, financial sports information, you need to provide your father information or brother information here, and grantor information as well. If you need to put your father and brother information, any of your friend, any of your family member, you need to provide detail here. Emergency contact, you need to provide your brother or mother or sister, any of them. Okay, you can provide the detail, you should provide the detail. Okay, I click on application information. So here is the application information I tell you this video. So you can see here is the detail about your application information, that in which major you are to apply, and other things. Internet speed is a little bit slow, so that's why it's happening. So here is the options. I'll tell you because I think I think internet speed is a little bit slow. So course, your major, and it's automatically typed because you select this option in the beginning. So personal type recommendation means how you get this about this scholarship. So from CSC Guide official website or emergency contact, reference contact, you should need to provide your brother, father, friend reference contact. Okay, language proficiency, you need to select excellent. English proficiency, and this one is none, and all these you need to think, all these things you need to leave it blank. If you have IELTS, then give that option, fill that option, TOEFL and these kind of things. Highest degree, you must need provide highest degree and highest degree school from where you graduated. And if you are still a student and you are studying in 7th semester or 6th semester or 8th semester, so you should expected date, select this option. If you are already completed your degree, then you need to select this one. Okay, and your marks about percentage according to your how many failures. If you have any failures, then yes, and give how many subjects you failed, and if you don't have any, no, then click on no option. Okay, and start, you need to provide your study detail from high school to now till now. Okay, work experience, and I have ever worked in China. No, if you have any work experience, then add it, otherwise leave it. Family members, you need to provide your 2 family members detail here. Add this, click on add option and provide your family member detail here. Okay, the documents, the important section of this video, that which documents required for this. Okay, here is the option. You need to upload, the upload file size should be JPG. Okay, the no criminal certificate record. Okay, physical exam, sorry, no criminal certificate record, it's mandatory. Passport, valid passport, and graduate certificate. Okay, if you're not graduated, then provide home certificate. Highest degree certificate. References means recommendation letter, 2 recommendation letters. Medical support report means physical examination form. Here is the physical examination form. Okay, this one. Okay, and medical physical examination form, study plan, and your language certificate means English proficiency certificate, acceptance letter. It's not mandatory. You can see here is the important option. Okay, mandatory option, star is not here. Okay, it means acceptance letter is not mandatory. Okay, CSC form, if you apply for CSC scholarship as well, then you need to upload CSC form, but in the beginning I select university scholarship, so that's why I not upload this form, because I not apply for this scholarship. Okay, it's Chinese language certificate. If you have, then click on and upload it. Word certificate, if you have, upload it, otherwise leave it. Okay, more information, we go to the next option, more information, that how you fill this option. Okay, and you can see the documents upload section, self introduction video, 3 to 5 minutes. If you have, it's not mandatory. You can see here is the red option, and there is not this star option, means it's not mandatory, it's optional. If you want to make this video, then give your introduction in this video, that I am from, my name is Irfan, and I am from Pakistan, and these kind of things. Okay, you need to provide 3 to 5 minutes video, but if you are not interested and have not any experience to making videos, so that's you need to skip this option as well. Okay, here is, are you migrated? No, you can select this no option. Award information, if you have any award information, then give your award information. Your referee information, if you want to, it's mandatory, not mandatory. Okay, referee information, you need to if you want to provide your the referee information of the that person who give you recommendation letter, then you need to provide it. Okay, and guarantor information, you need to for applicants age below, if you are age below, then below 18 years, then you need to provide it, otherwise leave it. Other option is your supervisor. If you have supervisor, then type your supervisor name, and CSC application form, serial number. If you already apply for CSC scholarship, then you need to put your CSC here, serial number here. Okay, hobbies, your passport number, smoking, no, this kind of thing. Yes, you fill according to your situation. Okay, application note, leave it blank, and save it, continue, and preview. Okay, this is the form, and this is the detail of how to apply for CSC scholarship and USC scholarship. Okay, and CSC scholarship admissions, visit cscguideofficials.com and get the scholarship about channel scholarship, all details here. So good luck and take care of yourself. We will meet you in the next video.